Well, hello everyone. This is PG First Play, and yesterday I'm successfully reviewed the famous Valve's game engine Source, transitioned to pure C#.NET 10. For me, it's greatest achievement, one of the greatest that can bravely stand with 14 February 2026 medical systems, and this engine is completely new, has all the nature than beloved Valve engine. It can outsmart today's technologies but easily. Source second, Unreal Engine 5 and others are just obsolescence. I hope soon I will be able to fix it and open a brand new day for Microsoft or game developers with a completely independent Windows-based engine. Thank you.